So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add MACD on TradingView. So first of all, open any web browser. As you can see, I have opened Google Chrome and you can choose whichever you like and then search for tradingview.com. So guys, after coming on their website, choose products and then choose chart plus. So guys, after coming on the chart page, you guys can see this option right here called indicators. Now click on this and then search for MACD. And now you can see this indicator right here called moving average convergence divergence, which is the full form of MACD. So now click on this and you can see the MACD indicator now has been added to our chart. So that's how you add MACD on TradingView. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.